Anyway, heading off today, meeting with a couple agents, one who's really struggling getting into the business. And that's what I really wanted to talk about. There are so many agents that get into real estate thinking this is going to be decent amount of work, not that hard, great hours, big money. So anyway, agents get into real estate thinking that they're going to make a killing. This is the toughest industry I've ever been in. And it's very, very important how you have a plan and you strategize, that you got a coach or somebody that's going to mentor you through the business, because you go to different companies, they say they got all this training, but research it, find out what it's really about, see if it's current. It's got to be high tech. Our world is tech, people, and that is critical. I'm personally with eXp Realty. I love it. I've been with many other firms. I've been in the business since 2005, and you get beat up and burn out in this business, so it's important to find something that's going to teach you, train you, and help you in this industry, and be there for you with collaboration, support, how to get leads, how to build a business, because that's what this is about. If you're just doing this as a part-time hobby or a second thing, come on, it's not going to work. Would you want to buy a house from somebody that does this part-time? No. Don't buy a house from somebody who does part-time. Don't buy it from your brother or sister that's just doing this as a hobby. Are you kidding me? This is your home. Typically, if it's an investment, maybe you want to risk that. I don't think I'd be risking it with an investment either. I want somebody who's going to give me answers, sharp, who understands stuff. And if they'll just go anywhere for you, then they know a little about a big area and not a whole lot about what you need. Find somebody that niches down to your specialty. I specialize in waterfront properties. I do off water because I've done a lot of them and I know it, but I know my area. Around my area, I know it well. So, but you don't know it well right away. You got to learn, you got to study, and you got to have somebody helping you, and you got to research it and work hard to make that be who you are. So that's my lesson for realtors today who are in this business and struggling or need some help. Reach out. I'm happy to help you, get you on a path where you can get directed of how you can actually do this and get real about what your real vision of real estate is. That's important too. There you go. Hope that helps today.